Hi everyone, meet the kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber KH8, your new cleaning powerhouse with 2 adjustable spin speeds for quick and deep cleaning. It comes with 8 versatile brush heads, designed to tackle every nook, cranny, and surface from bathtubs to tiles. The retractable handle extends to save your back and knees, making scrubbing effortless without bending or kneeling. Plus, the adjustable brush head angle reaches those hard spots like shower heads and faucet gaps with ease. With a long-lasting battery that works up to 1.5 hours on a single charge, you can clean your bathroom multiple times without worry. Its durable, anti-scratch bristles and IPX7 waterproof rating ensure safe, effective cleaning every time. Enjoy a smarter, easier cleaning experience with the kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.